The two things that New Yorkers in an apocalypse is coming. The bread is gone.
Weird thing was, I don't know if you experienced this. So I went to Whole Foods Sunday night and shelves were empty. And the same thing at Target. People were like freaking out, like Armageddon was coming or something.
Please.
Yeah, I know.
It happens all the time. So I went to Trader Joe's Saturday morning. I always go Saturday morning. It was like 8:30. Okay, the line was not out the door, but it was definitely a line, which literally you just roll in, roll out. And I know other people who went like at 3 o'clock. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, the two things that New Yorkers in an apocalypse is coming. The bread is gone. The land of we don't eat carbs. These people stocking up like
there was no bread.
There was no bread. There's no milk. There's no fruits and vegetables. And you're like, this is not the Midwest. I grew up. Grew up in the Midwest. I grew up in Northern Virginia. I mean, those is when you are like hunkering down. This is New York City. I always say that they would drop ship food into this city so that we didn't starve. But these people act like they are never going to see a supermarket for days. It's such a ridiculousness. But these are also the same people. And I think that
DoorDash.
I think Mondani said, please do not order delivery because it is dangerous. I mean, I saw them out
but
there.
They were Sunday night. Those guys were out there.
I'm like,
oh my God,
come on,
biking in the middle of the road. I mean, with their delivery.
I was just like, please stop, people. Do not make these guys out on the streets. I was just like, who knows how many of them survived it? And because the roads were a little slippery and a little treacherous, so I just. Like, oh my God, but it's the apocalypse. And like I'm sure if you go on social media, you'll see these people lined up. And I'm like, what? Get up and go at 8 o'clock in the morning. Because I'm just like, what do you need? If you don't have something in your freezer or canned goods to survive, and I'm like, these people would not make it if.